Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable microphone access in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to security and privacy option. After that scroll all the way down and here you can see permission manager option, then just tap here and then scroll down and find microphone option. That's it, then just tap here and here it is. Now from here you can disable your microphone access. Here you can see the apps which you give microphone access. Now if you want to totally disable your microphone access, then you have to delete one by one apps from here. At first if I open messages, then you have to just select don't allow. Then tap on don't allow again and it's done. And that way you can totally disable your microphone access. You have to just remove or select don't allow one by one. And that is how you can disable microphone access in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.